तुमने वीक 1 देखा फिर?
हाँ, कुछ लेक्चर्स देखे थे।
कुछ तो देखा
7 तक
होगा।
7 तक देखा हुआ है, एडिशनल नहीं देखा अभी।
टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग तो देखा ना?
हाँ, टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग देख।
टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग देखा। अच्छा, अभी तक ये नहीं पता है क्या बच्चों को कि इन वालों में जो है वो होता है, क्विज हो जाता है, सरप्राइज क्विज, और उसके मार्क्स जुड़ता है।
हाँ, वो मेल में तो लिखा हुआ था। मेल मेल आया था तो उसमें था लिखा हुआ।
हाँ तो फिर भी ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे, कैसे चलेगा?
अभी रिमाइंडर नहीं आता है ना, पहले मेल पे जी स्पेस पे आता था।
ऐसे तो एक बच्चा है तो ले सकते हैं।
आज गेट का भी एग्जाम है, कुछ लोगों का गेट एग्जाम है आज।
अच्छा, आज है कुछ लोगों का गेट एग्जाम?
हाँ, आज
अरे
ईसीई का
तो
पेपर
इसी
है।
पे ही तो देंगे गेट एग्जाम, मैंने भी तो दिया आज।
अच्छा।
तो वो तो 9:30 to 12:30 है। तो बहाना है। रुको 1 मिनट, श्रीकांत से बात करता हूँ। लग रहा है श्रीकांत का भी पेपर है, वो भी फोन नहीं उठा रहा।
हो सकता है।
ये उसका पेपर क्यों हो रहा, तो पीएचडी कर रहा है। अच्छा।
एक बार डिस्कोर्स पे वापस मैं पोस्ट करता
मैं
हूँ।
डिस्कोर्स पे करा तो। अच्छा, ये पोस्ट नहीं हुआ है। 15 व्यूज को चैट नहीं। रिप्लाई होता है ना इसमें तो सीधा?
हाँ हाँ, सबको रिप्लाई करता है।
तुम लोगों का कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप नहीं है, उसमें लिख दो यार।
प्रथम ज्वाइन कर लिया।
हाँ, मतलब तब भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है किसी का कोई, तो फिर वो उसमें ज्वाइन कर लो एक बार।
ईटीएम का कोई ग्रुप ही नहीं है अभी तक।
वो जो जी स्पेस बना है उसमें एक बार लिख दें क्या, जो 60 जन का है।
हाँ,
कौन
डाल दो।
सा स्पेस है?
हाँ वो, बट इन दैट स्पेस ओनली द ऑल द डिग्री लेवल्स।
अच्छा, डाल दो भाई, कहीं तो कुछ तो डालो। दो बच्चों में क्या है, सरप्राइज कुछ भी तो लेना होता है इसमें तो। इधर डिस्कोर्स पे डाला तो है मैंने।
जी स्पेस पे डाल दिया मैंने।
हाँ मैंने अभी डाल दिया, देखते
चलो,
हैं।
बाय द टाइम सब लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे। किसी को पहले वीक में कोई डाउट है, कुछ पूछना है तो बताओ।
नहीं ऐसा नो, आई हैवंट गॉट एनी डाउट फॉर वीक 1।
क्योंकि फिर डाउट नहीं है तो फिर मैं पूछूं, मुझे डाउट है थोड़े मोड़े।
ओके।
हाँ।
ओके।
हम्म, यार कुछ कुछ, जैसे मैं पेपर बना रहा था ना, मुझे कुछ कुछ चीजें समझ नहीं आ रही थी। एक तो पहले मेरे को कोई ये बता दो कि अ, हम लोग हम लोग वेरिफिकेशन करते हैं स्पेसिफिकली, फिर उसके बाद टेस्टिंग की क्या नीड है? कोई भी अनम्यूट करके, मतलब इसे जनरल क्लास टाइप मत समझना, कोई भी अपना सही गलत थॉट कुछ भी दे सकता है, इस बेस पे मार्क नहीं होगा, उसके लिए स्पेसिफिक क्विज है। तो कोई भी, मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, मतलब एक बार वेरिफिकेशन होने के बाद भी टेस्टिंग की क्या नीड है ऐसे लेक्चर देखते हुए?
For my perspective is like verification is in the process of making of the product, but testing happens after your product is totally 100% completed, and after that the test engineer test that. And verification, like
हाँ हाँ,
verification of code and verification, it is in the process of making the product.
इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ।
Like verification is the part of the making of a product, and testing happens after the production of the product.
वही, बट मेरा सवाल ये थोड़ी ना था कि वेरिफिकेशन क्या होता है और टेस्टिंग क्या होता है। मेरा सवाल है क्या, नीड क्या है? हम
हम्म।
वेरीफाई कर तो रहे हैं, फिर टेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? समझ रहे हो
और
आप?
हाँ, फॉर बेटर रिलायबल क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, लाइक द फाइनल थ्रूपुट, जो भी प्रोडक्ट निकल रहा है उसका।
यार थ्रूपुट तो आउटपुट, नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट्स ड्रिवन बाय सिंगल इनपुट हो गया। थ्रूपुट तो आप वेरीफाई करोगे ही वेरिफिकेशन के टाइम, टेस्टिंग में ऐसा क्या नया कर दोगे? मतलब सोचो ना, कि मतलब हम हर बार वही बस टेस्ट ही कर रहे हैं, एक एक तरह से नया वेरीफाई फिर नया टेस्ट, फिर ये मतलब नीड क्या है? ये तो लेक्चर में बताया होगा ना शायद।
ताकि लेस डिफेक्टिव पार्ट्स निकले। हाँ।
लेस डिफेक्टिव पार्ट्स मिले, चलो कह सकते हैं एक तरह से, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली वो नहीं है। हम्म, मतलब तो अभी जिन लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है, अभी का हम लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन ये है कि जो है हम लोग वेरिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं स्पेसिफिकली हर स्टेप पे, फिर उसके बाद भी टेस्टिंग की क्या नीड आ रही है। मतलब एक पॉइंट ये आया कि डिफेक्ट्स कम मिले, लेकिन डिफेक्ट्स कम मिलना तो वेरिफिकेशन का भी वही काम है, टेस्टिंग का भी वही काम है एक तरह से। तो मतलब ऐसा स्पेशल क्या है टेस्टिंग में? हम या तो कुछ स्पेशल कर रहे होंगे या कोई पर्सपेक्टिव है जो हम वेरिफिकेशन में नहीं कम कर पा रहे होंगे। क्या है नीड? हम्म। अच्छा, आप लोगों ने सबने कौन किस किस सिमुलेशन टूल पे अब तक काम किया है? अब कोई भी जैसे वर्चुएसो पे तो नहीं किया होगा, भी उस पे तो जरूर करा होगा, डीएसडी लैब में, एलटी स्पाइस में किया है,
एलटी
डिजिटल
स्पाइस किया
डिजिटल
है, ईडीए प्लेग्राउंड भी किया हुआ है।
ईडी प्लेग्राउंड किया हुआ है, बहुत बढ़िया। तो वहां पे कहीं वेरिफिकेशन आया था? किसी ने कुछ टर्म सुना हो, देखा हो?
Normally we have done Verilog in that, but not
नहीं, वेरिलॉग तो कोड कर हो गया, कोडिंग हो गई, उस कोडिंग को वेरीफाई करने को वेरिफिकेशन कहते हैं। तो किसी
yeah.
ने कोई वेरिफिकेशन किया हो अभी तक कहीं भी किसी भी स्टेप में?
We write test benches for that.
हाँ चलो, आपका जो है डिजाइन आपने कर लिया, उसे वेरीलॉग कोड में लिख दिया, आपने टेस्ट बेंच से उसे वेरीफाई कर लिया। अच्छा हाँ, इससे पहले हम आगे बढ़े, मेरे को ये बता दो, सबको सब एवरीबॉडी इज फाइन विद हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश, या यू वांट दिस सेशन टू बी इंटायरली इन इंग्लिश? कि उसमें भी मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और प्लीज कोई चैट में लिख देना, है ना, तो बेटर होगा। Hindi plus. Acha, okay. Okay. So one of the person has said for English. So let me summarize what I have been asking with the rest of with the people that have joined earlier. My point was that why do we need verification and testing? Like we can have one thing, only verification and only testing. So one of the points that was put forward was that okay, we will have less number of defects, but that is the use, that is the aim for both verification and testing. What do we have? So then I came to the point that have we seen verification? Okay, some of the students have told you, okay, they have written test benches with which they verified their Verilog code, which is basically duty design under test. For that you write test bench, so you have verified your duty. So now tell me, have any one of you tested your design? Yeah, up till now, anywhere, anyone, sorry, anyone in any class, analog, this, that, any. Hmm? Even a no would, I would like to hear a no that, okay, you haven't done. Not everyone would have done it, but if a no would be also fine rather than just sitting silent. So basically, you are silent because no one has done it. Why? Acha, what is the difference between testing and verification that I thought anyone would point it out till now is that for testing, you are this is done after silicon. Okay, post silicon things, which means verification up till now, whatever you have done. would have been, you guys would have done it in during simulation times. Okay, for any worst case analysis or anything, whatever you thought of it, accordingly you verified it. Okay, so that is why it's verification until it's in simulation. Now after your chip goes to tape out and your chip comes out, now what you have? Now you have a physical chip. now, now you can't run simulation, now you can't change, because now your everything has come out physically and you are really constrained. There is not much you can do. Still there are some advancement in the industries which you can do, okay, let's not go there, but there are some advances, let us assume. Okay, so now we can only test it. Acha, why to test it? We can, because in testing we will lose. So for suppose now we have a chip. Now suppose we taped it out and now it is faulty. So why we are not sending it to the customer? Like, we to invested it na, but why? Is anyone getting my point or not? Or should I make it in a different?
Yes, somewhat getting it.
Okay. So tell me why then customer, no one is thinking like this. Let's give it to customer. So what? Other, how will you then generate the cost of that faulty one? Hmm? So why it is not done? Very specifically, it is not done because simply because of the two of the facts. One is the brand value, and second is the reliability. So what is reliability? What do you understand by reliability?
The product to work at a long time or
Rahul,
not sell in a given time.
can you speak again? Sorry.
The product would not fail in a given time or work for long time.
Okay, so that is not correct, Rahul. So, acha, for example, let us suppose you have two fans. ठीक है? You guys have two fans, which you have. Okay, hi MTTF. Okay, we'll come to it. So let us suppose you guys have two fans. One of the fan is from a startup, okay, which gives a 2-year warranty of the fan A, and you use the fan for approximately 1.5 years. Okay, and after that it became faulty. Now there is a fan B, which is given by very prestigious company, and the company history goes back like years and years, and it only gives yeah, so it gives a warranty of approximately 3 years, and the fan goes, no, the company gives it for 4 years, and the fan became faulty after 2 years. So which of the company you guys will choose? Company A or
The,
company B for fan?
the first one,
Why?
because it exceeded uh, as they are proclaiming before the buying for, yeah, for the customer's view, and the fan too is claiming for the 4 years that it's giving the warranty for the 4 years, but it works till the 3
First
years.
company also gave the warranty for 2 years, and your fan worked only for 1.5 year. So fan became faulty ultimately of both the companies. I am saying, which company will you choose? You are saying company A. Why? You are getting my point. Faulty
And
will, B because of brand value. Okay. Anyone else? Sivaraman, come on, speak it. Man, I'm speaking in English because of you.
Um,
Think. Which will you choose? Okay, everybody is going for B.
See, the fan one, in both the ratings are different. No? Means like fan 2 is warranty for the 4 years and fan 1 is warranty for the 2 years. But
Huh.
the fan 1 is work for
Huh. It work for 1.5 years
2 years.
and
Okay.
fan 2 work
So
for
then
2
I
years.
will go for fan B. Yeah, I will also go for fan B.
You will go for fan A. Okay,
B, B,
so
B, B.
you will go for fan B. Why?
Yeah, brand value also, and like it's also running like more than the fan one also. So that
Ha. So now there comes the concept of reliability.
reliability,
So
yes.
who said the definition of reliability?
I'll just
Repeat, Rahul. I think you said it. Just repeat the definition. You said for a long time, na?
Yeah,
So
the
basic.
product which work for long time.
Uh-huh. So exactly my point. See, many of us forget a very important thing, that not for a long time, it should be under a given time. Okay, so fan company A is more reliable than company B. Let me tell you why. So if you see, company A claimed only for 2 years. Okay, and how many then it gave it? The fan worked for 1.5 years. So company A is more reliable. It is not about how longer the fan goes. It is about what does the company claims and how much did the product delivered. So for example, now when we come to our industry, for suppose a chip claimed it is giving you 2 gigahertz. Okay, and but it is only giving you 1 gigahertz, and there is one more company which is giving you claiming 5 gigahertz, but it is giving you 2.5 gigahertz. So it means, let us suppose for 2 gigahertz, so your chip A will be more reliable because it is more, what it committed, the company committed, it is more near to that. Okay, that is why reliability, there is a very important term which the definition missed, was that it in under the given warranty, the product you have to bring it to the same, for the number of product you have to commit to the same warranty time, and then see how which product went longer, or a percentage of it. Okay, guys, so that is why company A will be more reliable. I hope everybody was satisfied with the answer.
yes, satisfied.
Okay. Okay, guys. So reliability I touched. I touched a bit of. Acha, what is quality then? And how quality and reliability are different?
Quality is the performance that the device is like, how the device is performing, and like is it matching all the features that it is listing on the product.
Exactly. So the every product at the time of its delivery should match what is the functionality. So it should have the functionality which is claimed. And what is reliability? If that quality goes on, that same functionality goes on, uh, or continues working over its expected lifetime. It shouldn't fail before it is said that it before its warranty. Hmm. Okay, so you guys went through what are the priorities by various sectors. like priority of price, performance, quality, reliability.
Yes.
Okay. So anyone has any specific doubt? Because if no, then I will share you guys, share the quiz with you guys. Anyone? Okay, if no one has any doubt, so note that there will be 5 questions for 5 minutes only. You have to attempt it right now. Okay, and after attempting it, just submit it. If you don't submit within the 5 minutes, it will automatically close, and then I won't open it again and again. So note that. And also please don't share this with the people in the G space. You know why? Because I will not consider any other person's response other than the people present in this class. Okay, a thumbs up would be fine. Okay, guys, I'm going on mute. Let me just share it in the chat, and I will unmute myself and tell you to start. Okay, just give me 1 second to share it here. Hi guys, so I have pasted it in the chat. Kindly go through it. I have pinned it in the chat. Okay. Now I hope is it accessible with everyone? Can anyone unmute and tell me?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it's accessible.
Ah, okay, start it. I will end it by 4:38, 4:39.